Welcome to homeworklib.
In the figure below, determine the coordinates of the points A', B', C', and D', where A', B', C', D' is a translation of 𝐴𝐵𝐶𝐷 by -2, -5. A translation is a transformation which moves a shape up or down and from side to side. A translation of -2, -5 means the shape moves 2 places to the left and 5 places down. Seeing as we're translating a shape with 4 points, we have 4 coordinates to translate. There are a couple of ways we can find the images of each point after the translation, but let's start by doing this graphically. We'll start with point A. If we move the point A 2 units to the left and 5 units down, we find that the image of A', is at the point 6, 1. Let's do the same with point B. We move point B 2 units to the left and 5 units down, and we find that the image of B', is at the point 6, -4. Now let's translate the point C. We move the point C 2 units to the left and 5 units down, and we find that the image of C', is at the point -1, -4. Finally, let's translate the point D. We move the point D 2 units to the left and 5 units down, and we find that the image of D', is at the point 1, -1. Then, joining all our points, we see the translated shape A', B', C', D'. Now we can read the coordinates of the translated points directly from the graph to get our answer. But let's also see a different method we could have used. For a translation with horizontal displacement of A units and a vertical displacement of B units, the point xy maps to x add A, y add B. Here are the coordinates of the 4 points we were given in the question, A, B, C and D. We can use the formula above to map each point to its image. The horizontal displacement is -2, so A is -2. The vertical displacement is -5, so B is -5. So we calculate the image of each of these coordinates by adding -2 to the x-coordinate and -5 to the y-coordinate, which then allows us to calculate the images of each of these points. That is, A' is 6, 1, B' is 6, -4, C' is -1, -4, and D' is 1, -1. Then we can check these points by looking at the translation we carried out on the graph, and we see that the points match up.